Okay, well, this is a vintage, probably early 90's Windmere by Horn 12-inch oscillating table fan. I bought this thing back in October of 2012. What day was it? It was October, I want to say 11th? It was a Saturday. It was somewhere around there. I think the original price sticker is still on the bottom. I don't know if I left it on there or not. No, it's gone. It was pretty cheap. I think it was $6. It was pretty dirty when I got it. It's not in the best shape, but it's decent. It was perfect, except it just didn't oscillate well because the cam, the little arm that goes up here was all gummed up, and the cam in the back was all gummed up. But it ran fine. It was really dirty. It has some rust on the grills, some pitting there, some yellowing. It's kind of dirty. It does get used. You can see it's kind of dusty. I have 3 of these fans. I have this one, the one I videoed I think 4 years ago. And I have another one identical to the one I videoed 4 years ago. It's in better shape, so I'll make a video. I'll make another video of the other one too. It's been a while. This is the oldest out of the 3. See, it's pretty dusty actually. I had to replace the oscillator. The original oscillator was made out of clear plastic, and this one's out of a 16-inch table fan, out of a 16-inch Windmere stand fan, and the screw had to be replaced because this is a metal one. It's very loose. That's because there's a little washer in there that's not in there anymore. It was kind of shot, so that, and I didn't want it. I wanted it to freely move back and forth when it was disengaged like the original one, so I modified it a little bit, and it's loose, but it does stay in place. This is all yellowed. This is pretty typical of these fans. Let's see, it does stay in place wherever you put it. It moves a little bit, not too bad. I would just turn the camera upside down, but it's on auto correct, so you just have to read that upside down. It works well. The blades are pretty deeply pitched, and not that deeply pitched, but deep enough pitch. The neck's a little worn. See, there's some rust. It does work. It works very well. Just stay where I put it. This fan is kind of shot. You can see the grills are a little off center. Maybe you don't pick it up. Maybe the camera doesn't pick it up. Here it is. I'm starting low. It does need oil too. The rattling is the grill. Some of the rattling is the grill. You can hear the clunking kind of sound. It's kind of because the motor's needs to be oiled. I gotta start up. You can hear it kind of rumbles when it starts. It does need oil, as you can hear. But other than that, it runs fine. It moves a lot of air. The grills are rattling. Quite a bit, actually. That's very annoying. Has the piano keys. And high. These fans I see usually have fairly short spin downs. It's not the longest, but it's longer than a lot of these I see. I'm gonna start the oscillation. I really want to find one of these Horn table fans with a blue one and a brown one, but I really want the blue one. It makes some noise. It needs oil, as you can hear. medium. This is one of these older Taiwanese fans. I'm not sure if this one's made in Taiwan or China. I don't remember. I think Taiwan. Although it could be a little newer. But I'm assuming probably Taiwan. And it's a very good fan. Hi. These things have pretty powerful motors in them. Spin down will probably be a little shorter because the oscillation's on. You can see, yeah. But it runs just well, just fine. Try and get a startup sound on this thing. All 3 speeds, here's low. It's a pretty worn out fan, but nothing I can't fix. Here's medium. You can tell the motor does sound a bit dry. And that rumble when it comes on, that noise it makes when it comes on, at first does lessen as the motor runs and warms up, but that buzzing noise you hear when it oscillates and stuff, that's constant. That one. It does have a bit of a startup sound on high that I was talking, so I'm going to redo it. Ready? Here we go. It's not that bold and audible, but I heard it. Thanks for watching.
Your heart lays where the rebel